So we come to the next speaker, which comes from Jinko. We have with us Leo Cong, product manager, and he will talk about TaiyangNews in 2023, upgraded module family and field test presentation. It's great to have Leo talk about TOPCon. As probably many of you know, Jinko has been the first of the big companies moving into large mass production or into mass production of N-type. So it will be great if, Leo, you could share some of your experiences.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. And okay, I will share the screen. Okay. Okay, I will start now. Okay, hello everyone. This is Leo from JinkoSolar Technical Service Center. And as you know, JinkoSolar has focused on the research and development of N-type technology from 2016 and formally announced the TaiyangNews module family by the end of 2021. After a year of efforts, by all Jinko staff, the trend of technology iteration in the PV industry has been unstoppable. During the past 2022, we have achieved the global 10 gigawatt shipment for TaiyangNews N-type modules already, and over 30 gigawatt signed orders, which cover more than 80 countries and regions all over the world. Today, I'm really glad to introduce our brand new TaiyangNews module series in 2023. And okay, 3 parts will be included in the presentation. In the first part, of course, I will briefly introduce our latest TaiyangNews module family in the coming new year, and then about the technical advantages, the better module efficiency, the higher bifaciality, the optimized temperature coefficient, and lower degradation. In the third part, that I think you will be more interested in the real module performance all over the world. And this is also the latest information and the most important part that I want to share with all of you. And during the past 2022, we have cooperated with CGC, CPVT, SGS, TV Node, TV Rainland respectively, and carried out several field test projects. Until now, most of them have already had data feedback, and we'd like to share the latest information with you through this platform. And okay, the first part, as I mentioned above, the past 2022 is the key time point for the PV module technology iteration. And the N-type TOPCon is the answer from JinkoSolar. So why do we focus on N-type? The trend of module evaluation is nothing more than power climbing, which is directly linked to the efficiency of the cell. At present, the efficiency of PERC cell has gradually approached its own limitation, which is 24.5%. In addition to upgrading the cell technology, the power breakthrough can only be achieved from the cell size and the module size, while the efficiency limit of N-type TOPCon cell is much higher than that of PERC. The data widely recognized is 28.2% to 28.7%, which has an absolute cost performance advantage in the long term. Till now, Jinko has realized the maximum efficiency 26.4% and mass production efficiency over 25%, far ahead in the PV industry. Hence, the TaiyangNews family comes into being, apart from the current TaiyangNews series showing on this page. For 2023, 5 brand new members will join our TaiyangNews family with higher module power and brand new design. For distribution market all over the world, we will release 72 pieces monofacial and bifacial modules, and 54 pieces monofacial, bifacial, and all black modules. For various scenarios like utility scale, we have TaiyangNews 78 pieces modules, which have the highest module power up to 635 watt, which is the highest mass production power among 182 N-type modules. And the TaiyangNews 72 pieces module will be an excellent choice for CNI rooftop due to its low voltage and the flexible string setting. And Jinko will also be the first Tier 1 PV manufacturer to realize over 600 watt in 182 and 72 pieces modules. The excellent module power, module efficiency up to over 23% also guarantee the nice performance during the project analysis stage. While TaiyangNews 54 pieces modules will be compatible with both residential and CNI rooftop. Apart from the standard monofacial design, we also have TaiyangNews 54 bifacial modules for specific scenario like greenhouse. For regions that have higher requirements of module appearance, we also release the all-black modules with highest power up to 445 watt. And we'd also like to share the mechanical load breakthrough in our brand new TaiyangNews 54 pieces modules based on the clamping installation method under the conventional 4 points on the long frame test carried out by TVSold. The maximum 6,000 and 4,000 module load has been achieved, which guarantee the reliability of PV module to the greatest extent in some regions with the higher snow and wind load requests. And based on the solid research and development foundation, the TaiyangNews module series also perform excellent in all key parameters. In terms of module temperature coefficient, Jinko 182 N-type module can achieve an optimized temperature coefficient of minus 0.29% per centigrade and increase the average power by about 0.9%. At the same time, the TaiyangNews series modules can operate at an average temperature of more than 1 degree centigrade, lower than that of P-type of the same specification. Combined, power generation can be increased by up to 2%, especially in high temperature area. The bifaciality is also improved. We should be familiar that the bifaciality of the traditional PERC module is about 70%, while the N-type module using TOPCon technology had the highest bifaciality of 85%. Under this premise, our TaiyangNews series modules can deliver a power generation gain of about 2.03%. In terms of quality assurance, N-type cells power degradation can be significantly optimized compared with the traditional PERC cells due to the different doping technology, reaching the level of first year lower than 1% and linear decline of lower 0.4%. Whether from the first year or the long-term power generation, there will be more significant advantages for N-type TOPCon technology. And based on the excellent module degradation performance above, the power warranty of all TaiyangNews module could achieve 30 years. And theoretically, under the normal environment conditions, the average temperature, ground reflectivity, and irradiance, the power gain for Jinko 182 N-type modules can achieve at least 3% compared with traditional PERC modules. Of course, the above theoretical analysis also have the test data support, and this is, as I mentioned, is the most important and the latest information that I'd like to share with you. During the past 2022, we have carried out 19 field test projects in China and 5 ones abroad. Factors like various climates all over the world, IM value, real power degradation, and the different ground reflectivity have all been taken into consideration. Whether from the third party or the customer side, we are ready to accept the test. And as you can see, this page shows all the projects that cooperated with third party. And till now, we already had data feedback from Saudi, Ningxia, Zhangbei, Qingdao, Ningbo, and Hainan. The project in Italy and Malaysia are also under construction. For the Zhangbei and Hainan projects, cooperated with CGC, TaiyangNews and Tiger Pro 72 pieces dual glass modules are chosen, and we can see for this one, and we can see the 4.03%, and then for Hainan, we can see 4.04% power gain respectively. And the consistent result also occurs in the Ningbo tracker and Yingchuan fixed adjustable projects constructed by CAS and CPVT respectively. And for Ningbo projects, we can see the power gain is 4.8%, and for Ningxia, we can see 4.95%. And more specific, for Saudi project carried out by TUV Rainland, we choose Tiger Neo 72 pieces dual glass and 210 66 dual glass modules for comparison. As shown on the slide, the average temperature in Saudi is over 30 centigrade, which will maximize the advantage of the Tiger Neo's temperature coefficient. During the 4 months operation, we can see 5.54% average power gain for our Tiger Neo modules under mounting system, bringing the advantage of temperature coefficient into full plane. And in the coming 2023, when it comes to the N-type era, JinkoSolar will continue the further development of TOPCon modules and is confident to be the technology iteration leader in the PV industry. The TOPCon cell and module capacity have also reached the level of over 35 gigawatt and 40 gigawatt respectively, which are the largest scale for TOPCon modules among all Tier 1 manufacturers. We will continue to bring our customers with the best quality products, the most reliable solutions, and the maximized benefits. We believe that the brand new Tiger Neo module series will be a flag product in the coming new year. Okay, everyone, thank you for your time.
Thanks, Leo. Okay, very impressive. 40 gigawatts soon. So how did it go? Because you really ramped up so quickly to TOPCon. I think you jumped on it right away and increased capacity so dramatically. And how did you see actually first the customer reaction, and how did you manage internally this quick move from PERC to TOPCon? I don't know what's the total share of your production in TOPCon. It must be 60-70% then soon, or?
Yes. Yes, I don't think, actually, I don't think it's a quick switch from the PERC to TOPCon, because as I said that we have do the research, maybe not mass production, but we have do the research and development, and we already have products for TOPCon from around 2016. And actually it has been 4 to 5 years when we first do the research of TOPCon and try to do the application of it to our modules. And just for the era of TOPCon, like 2022, 2021, we finally found that this technology is mature enough. Maybe some of other friends have said it just now, that it has been mature enough for the TOPCon to be the technology that could be applied in the PV industry now. And so Jinko do it, and because we are confident and we already have solid research and development for this technology, and so we think that it's just the time, so why don't we do that on our modules? And actually the truth is that it is a success. And as you say, as you can see, that we already have the 10 gigawatt shipment and 30 gigawatt signed orders, and we think that the TOPCon is the good choice for us.
So that means you will completely focus on TOPCon and are not planning to also branch out into heterojunction for the next few months, years, or are there any plans?
To tell the truth, that in the near 2 or 3 years, that we will focus on the for the development and the research of TOPCon, and it might not be changed. And but of course, the other N-type technology like HJT, IBC, as you said, that we will also do the research, and it will be one of the choice maybe in the future. Yes, but in the near 2 or 3 years, and we think that TOPCon will still be the answer from JinkoSolar.
Okay, super. Thanks, Leo. I think there are a few questions also on the chat. If you have time to answer them, that would be nice.
Yeah? Of course.
Okay, thanks. Have a nice evening.
Bye.
Okay.